So I'm going to demonstrate how to do pendulum testing on pets. This ends up being a toy for them, so you're going to see that I come from behind. So, hey Dobby. Oh, the kitties are doing something outside. Dobby, let's distract them. Start at the base. Move to the sacral. Move to the solar plexus. Oh, Dobby, your solar plexus is not doing good. Go to the heart. We're going to go right up and down the spine. The throat. The third eye, and this is where they may see it and get distracted. You don't want to put it right in their eyesight because they will get distracted. And then the crown. Good job, Dobby. Good job. So use something to distract them. Treats could make them go a little kind of bonkers. Use another crystal. Or you can even use another pendulum. Anything that is weighted on a chain works as a pendulum.